A is for alpaca, fluffy and shy. B is for bats, flying through the sky. C is for cat, with a soft little purr. D is for dog, with a wag and a fur. E is for eel, in the ocean so deep. F is for frog, who takes giant leaps. G is for goose, with feathers so white. H is for hermit crab, hiding out of sight. I is for iguana, green and long. J is for jellyfish, floating along. K is for koala, sleepy in a tree. L is for lemur, staring back at me. M is for monkey, swinging high and free. N is for narwhal, a unicorn of the sea. O is for otter, playful and sleek. P is for polar bear, strong and unique. Q is for quail, with a funny little walk. R is for rooster, who loves to talk. S is for shark, with a toothy grin. T is for turtle, with a shell to live in. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, watching from tall. W is for warthog, with a snort and trot. X is for X-ray fish, see-through on the spot. Y is for yak, with a fluffy back. Z is for zebra, striped in black. Next time, won't you sing with us?